Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use borders on Instagram. Adding a border to your photos can significantly enhance their visual appeal, giving them a polished and professional finish. It's a simple yet effective way to make your content stand out. We'll walk through the straightforward steps to apply these borders directly within the Instagram application, ensuring your posts look their absolute best before sharing them with your audience. To begin, launch the Instagram application and tap the plus icon at the bottom to start a new post. Select the photo you wish to enhance from your gallery, then tap Next. You'll then be presented with various filters and editing tools. Look for the Edit option, which will open up a more detailed set of adjustments for your image. Once you are in the Edit menu, swipe through the available tools until you find the Borders or Frame option. Tapping this icon will instantly apply a classic white border to your photo. You can then use the slider that appears to adjust the border's thickness, ranging from a subtle outline to a more prominent frame, giving you full control over the final look. Once you are completely satisfied with your border's appearance, simply tap Done to save your edits. You can then proceed to add your caption, tag any friends or relevant accounts, and include your location, just as you would with any other post. Finally, tap Share to publish your newly framed photo, showcasing your creative touch to all your followers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.